In this video, we will prove that the argument of quotient of complex numbers equals difference of arguments. We know that the polar form of the complex number z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta, and let's consider z1 equal to r1 cos theta 1 plus iota sin theta 1 and z2 equal to r2 cos theta 2 plus iota sin theta 2 be two complex numbers such that r1 is equal to mod of z1 and r2 is equal to mod of z2, and theta 1 theta 2 be arguments of z1 and z2 respectively. Now we will divide the complex number z1 by z2, which is equal to r1 cos theta 1 plus iota sin theta 1 divided by r2 cos theta 2 plus iota sin theta 2. We can also write it as r1 divided by r2 cos theta 1 plus iota sin theta 1 divided by cos theta 2 plus iota sin theta 2. Now we will divide and multiply it with cos theta 2 minus iota sin theta 2. Divide it with cos theta 2 minus iota sin theta 2. Now we will multiply these terms and write it in next step, and we get r1 divided by r2 multiply cos theta 1 by cos theta 2, we get cos theta 1 cos theta 2, then cos theta 1 is multiplied by minus iota sin theta 2, we get minus iota sin theta 2 cos theta 1. Then multiply iota sin theta 1 with cos theta 2, we get plus iota sin theta 1 cos theta 2. Then we will multiply iota sin theta 1 with minus iota sin theta 2, we get minus iota square sin theta 1 sin theta 2 divided by, we know that if we consider cos theta 2 as a and iota sin theta 2 as b, so these two terms are the formula of a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square plus b square. So here we will get, it is a square minus b square. So we will get cos theta 2 iota square is equal to minus 1. So here this minus sign will be converted into positive sign. So we will get cos square theta 2 plus sin square theta 2. From the trigonometric identities, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we can write z1 divided by z2 is equal to r1 divided by r2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 plus iota sin theta 1 cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 sin theta 2, and the denominator will be equal to 1, so we will not mention it, and it is equal to r1 divided by r2. We know that this term is equal to cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus iota, and this is equal to sin theta 1 minus theta 2. These both are the trigonometric identities. Thus, if we have to write the argument of z1 by z2, we know that the argument is the value of angle, and here the angle is theta 1 minus theta 2. So the argument of z1 by z2 is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2, and in the beginning we have considered theta 1 as the argument of z1 and theta 2 as the argument of z2. So we have proved that the argument of quotient of complex numbers equals difference of arguments of complex numbers.